Thokozani Emakhosini Camaku. Thank you for joining me for another video. We're back in the House of Shem, and as promised, Mkhulu Mbazo has joined us today, and we are going to talk about his book, Black People and the Five Pillars, A Beginner's Guide to Ancestral Reverence. And we're going to be talking about a few things that he is speaking about in this book. And siyathokoza Mkhulu for joining us. Thank you for agreeing to for me to host you. I have to say that what I've learned from you so far is very humbling and awesome, and ngiyathokoza, and I look forward to learning more from you. Mkhulu is a graduate from the University of the North. He is Mkhulu Mbazo as his spiritual name. He is the son of Isaac Kawilsin Mushwezi. He is a sangoma, he's umtandazi and a filmmaker. He studied filmmaking at Big Fish and is a director of 2 documentary films commissioned by the SABC. Amazing Grace and A Traveling Salesman, The Story of Silo Deka. A student of the ancestors, he is Iqaba, the uneducated one, which makes him an organic intellectual. Siyathokoza Mkhulu, thank you for joining us.
Siyathokoza Khetla.
Yes.
There's a very deep story to the whole question of Khetla.
Yes.
I'm sure when we have time to discuss it one day, I mean, people might be like, why is he calling a woman a Khetla? Siyathokoza Khetla.
Yes, and I never ever once on the channel ever once referred to myself as Khetla, but yes, he is right.
But it's very deep. I hope one time we can have some time to dwell more on that issue. Let's begin from the beginning, Gogo.
Yes.
I want to start by thanking you in terms of the work that you are doing, Khetla. Uqwashisa abantu bakithi, ukubavusa. We are doing exactly what a prophet should be. The role of a prophet is to be the conscience of the people, the conscience of the nation. Because we lose that consciousness that we were born with. And I'm very happy that you are using a platform like this, because when you read Daniel 2 verse 44, for instance, they talk about a kingdom that will be built on earth. It will be a physical kingdom. Now it's in some place called heaven. Only as a reflection of a bigger kingdom that exists in heaven. God makes a promise to us as Abantu that in the days of these kings, He shall establish a kingdom that will never be destroyed, that will consume and break into pieces all these other kingdoms. So people like you, they come at a time where there is another kingdom that you are living under, and they need to establish a parallel kingdom to that. We don't have to wait for this other kingdom to fall. It begins with small things, Everything is a building block in terms of building that kingdom. It has not been left to any other people. It has been left to us. When I talk about a prophet being the conscience of the nation, we need to understand that they are there to remind us of those things that we have forgotten. They are inside us. We have just forgotten who we are. But without going very far, let me say, first of all, giving all praise and honor to the Holy One of Israel, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. Ngiphinde ngithathe leli thuba ngithokozise ngihloniphe labe ngihamba nabo, abakwamshwetsi nabakwankosi oDlamini. Ngibahlonipha with the understanding that I come from them, that one day I will go back to them only to be reborn again in accordance with the commandment, honor your father and mother, so that your days shall be increased in the land that I'm giving you. So ngithi, with those few words, Gogo, I'm happy to be here. I am honored. I do not take lightly this opportunity you have given me to share these messages from the ancestral world. To us.
Mkhulu.
Yeah, to us.
Mkhulu, siyathokoza.